Today, another video with my dad, and we're doing my red toolbox workshop. Over here, I got my multimeter, which you saw in a video about the battery charger, the 9-volt phone battery charger. And I got this pencil to mark wood and stuff, put it back, and the screwdriver, flathead, as known as swatted head, also a Phillips, and a poker.
And your tool buckets down here on the side?
Yep, my tool buckets over here. What I have is like this holder thingy. What's that, Daddy?
Holding thingy. The whole tools right here. Okay.
Yeah, I could hold tools like that. And after that, I have this manual drill bit crank. And also my coping saw. Don't want the tool to get tangled.
That's the hand clamp.
Yep, the hand clamp.
That's a coping saw.
Yep, which is sharp, and be careful with it.
And what is this?
My
Show.
my little drill crank, manual drill crank.
Manual drill. Okay, so that's a chuck.
Because this is a Bear Scout requirement, which I'm supposed to do, and my dad's helping me. Because I'm not supposed to use power tools when I'm a Cub Scout. I'm gonna put them in nicely, and then moving on to the next part. My gloves doesn't look like I only have one pair. I stuffed the other pair in there, and I got my safety goggles over here, which look cool.
Alright, so what project you want to do tomorrow?
A tic-tac-toe board with some golf tees and drill bits. Also with the saw back here, I put it there just for safety. Yep, that's my saw. Over here, doesn't it look sharp and nice?
Alright, let's put that back.
For safety. And I see the saw blade going down there. And also, give this a thumbs up and subscribe. The video is done. Wait, oh yeah. I'll have to show you the drill bits right over here. And bye.